Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome. How's it going? Kick me from a weird angle because I don't really put the phone on, but the wheel was making a bit of a tick sound and turning and stuff. Now I think it could be the bearing. None of the arms are really look worn or anything like that. But I just adjusted the bearing a little bit, so I hope you can get this. Sorry, daughter, but it was over there, the bearing, and hear that? And nothing there, but hear that? Some people would say, oh, but it's the brake disc maybe, but now with the wheel on, it still makes that sound. So if I adjust the bearing just a little bit tighter, God, the sound is gone now. And it's all the way. So obviously the bearing worn out over how many thousands of kilometers, just needed a 1/10 of a turn, and it's all good. So I just gotta tighten it again, and hopefully that gets the sound. I'll let you know afterwards if the sound is gone, because it only happens when you turn and it's on an uneven track and you turn to the left, or if you to the right, you get a click, click. I was first thinking of coilovers, but coilovers look fine, no marks or anything like that. It's not leaking. So the other thing would be bearing, because all the arms look fine. But yeah, that adjustment alone took away that sound. Seriously, 1/10 of a turn, you just turn it a little bit. Don't go too tight, and you must still be able to do that. And you know, it's still good. So now you just tighten it up, put everything back together, and see if the sound's gone. I'll update you soon. So the angle's a bit weird, guys. Sometimes you gotta get the shot, you know.